My name is Elliot. I'm going to talk a little bit about drunk driving today and my thoughts on drunk driving, and I'm going to try and persuade you not to drink and drive and explain to you what laws and the rules that go hand in hand with drinking and driving and how this has caused so many deaths. Let me start by saying drunk driving is defined as operating a motor vehicle, for example, a car, bus, truck, bicycle, even a bicycle, after consuming alcohol. Quick fact, in 2003, over 42,000 fatalities were caused by vehicle crashes. An incredible percentage shows 40% were alcohol related. Okay, so a crash is alcohol related if a driver, a pedestrian, a passenger is involved and has any trace of alcohol or there is suspicious of alcohol usage. So it doesn't have to be just the person driving, it could be the passenger, it could be even the pedestrian that was running right across the street. Okay. My goal here today is to start by talking about a couple facts about drinking and driving, give you guys some statistics, some numbers, and let that sink in a little bit. And then I want to talk a little bit about the consequences of drinking and driving and how it can affect one's life, several people's lives, the people next to you, people in front of you, people you know, people you don't know, and how it can affect, the people of their parents, their friends, and how this can change lives. So I want to go into a couple facts that I think are just incredible, were a huge eye-opener for me, and I hope will have a huge impact on you guys as well. One of these is, on average, a drunk driver will drive 80 times under the influence before their first arrest. So they'll be out on the road drinking, driving 80 times before they get caught. And think about those chances, 80 times before they get caught and get in trouble for get penalized for what they've been doing. That drives up the risk. Another interesting fact, every 53 minutes in America someone is killed in a drunk driving crash. Every 53 minutes in America. That's 27 people every day in America. 27 people every day. Incredible. Every 90 seconds someone is injured from a drunk driving incident. So we have 27 people dying every day. We have every 90 seconds someone is injured in a drunk driving incident. It's a minute and a half someone's being injured. And a very shocking and horrible fact that occurred in 2010. 211 children were killed in drunk driving crashes in 2010. Of those 211 children, 62%, way over 50%, were riding in the car with an impaired driver. Impaired meaning under the influence. So these statistics speak for themselves and just express how incredibly dangerous it is to be drinking and driving. Now I'm going to get into the consequences of drinking and driving and the penalties that come with this incredibly horrible way of acting. We'll start by the most common is a DWI and a DUI. DUI standing for driving under the influence, DWI standing for driving while intoxicated. In many states, both of these penalties are used interchangeably. They're both extremely severe and serious penalties. However, they are weighted differently depending on the state and the severity of the if it was first offense, second offense, and where you are, and if an accident was present or if you were just driving. Now, some of the following penalties of a first offense of a DUI, DWI can include right off the bat temporary impounding of your vehicle, fine up to several thousands of dollars, possible jail time, probation, community service, completing some substance abuse classes at your own expense, and revocation of your driver's license. These are all first offense penalties. Moving forward, a second offense and maybe a second offense, third offense, you may be even charged with a felony, a DUI, DWI, for second or third offense. In many states, you're charged, with a felony, and some possible jail time. Most likely, some jail time. Now, first offense, if you cause an accident, most likely going to be charged with a felony. So the consequences for drinking and driving definitely outweigh and not only these legal consequences, the consequences of killing somebody, possibly killing or ruining lives, but these are the legal consequences that will ruin your life, physically ruin your life, and to go along with the mental trauma that comes with ruining other people's lives. With that being said, I hope you have been persuaded not to drink and drive, and you will make better decisions, hopefully, going forward. Thank you.